Welcome today to the concept of cost recovery. Are we actually recovering the cost and getting money back for the cost of an asset? No, not really. That's not what we're dealing with. This is more so depreciation, different methods like that to get the benefit for tax purposes of these significant assets. Let's dive into our learning objectives and see more of what we got. First off, we're going to want to calculate tax depreciation for tangible business property. You depreciate tangible assets, you amortize intangible assets, as we see there, and then we are going to deplete natural resources. Just a note is that depletion is going to be removed from the exam come 2024. However, it's still just important to kind of know, to understand what it is. It will appear on other exams just as a concept. So just keep that in mind as you see this. Just make sure you're familiar with it, but don't go too overboard. Again, there's a lot that we do cover where it's like, okay, you just want to kind of get an understanding of it. For example, what's the concept of a stock warrant? That's just another thing where you may not see it on the exam, but it's important to see it because you will see examples that reference what a stock warrant is. You don't have to calculate anything about it, but you want to understand what the AICPA is going to include there as little words, and they assume you know what that is, but if you don't, you might be a little bit out of a loss. Lastly, we want to compare the tax benefits of the different expensing options for tax depreciation for federal income tax purposes. We're going to see makers, and we're going to see Section 179, bonus depreciation, all that good stuff, and more as we dive through. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.